So what I'm going to do now is just show you a very quick demonstration of PeerWise from the student's perspective. What we have here is a PeerWise course on introductory physics. And let's say that a student wants to investigate and have a look at the questions that their classmates have created. So to do that, they would click on the View button in the Unanswered Questions section, and you can see in this particular course there are already 356 questions available. So clicking on that View button reveals all of the questions that are currently in the repository. One thing that students can do is choose topics of interest. So let's say, for example, that this student was interested in practicing questions that were about circular motion. So now they're looking at all of the questions that are related to circular motion. They can then sort those questions by quality rating, and this allows them to find the good questions about that topic. Let's try and attempt this first question here. So you can see this is a question that was authored by a student, and a lot of creativity has come through. So here the student is describing a battle between King Kong and Godzilla, but all of the important physical concepts are being assessed. So the idea is, given a particular radius of circular motion and a particular velocity and acceleration vector, will King Kong be able to throw Godzilla over the building and into the Tokyo harbor? So all of the information about the question is shown here. This is written in the student's own words. And now, as a student trying to answer this question, we are shown the alternatives. So does Godzilla clear the skyscraper and land in the bay? Or does he fall short of the bay? Or does he crash into the skyscraper? Or does he fail to reach the skyscraper? Now, fortunately, I had a bit of time before this demonstration to work out the answer, and I think the answer is C. So when I select that answer, what I get is immediate feedback about my answer. So here I'm told I'm correct. I also earn a badge called the Question Answerer badge, and there is a large set of badges that students can earn when they're using PeerWise, and I've also earned 10 answer points. What I can do now is just review my answer to the question, and I can see immediately how every other student in the course has answered this question. I'm also shown the explanation for the answer to the question, and this is certainly useful if I answer the question incorrectly, because now I can go through the actual working and the calculations and find out what it is that I did wrong. Underneath the explanation is an opportunity to discuss this question with my classmates. So there are comments where, particularly if I want to try and get some idea clarified, I can do that by asking the rest of the class.